I did some t-shirt upcycling lately. In going through my wardrobe, I discovered several long forgotten old shirts like this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. Let's start with this shirt. It has some pretty floral prints, but the pattern is too busy. Also, I never liked the constrictive shirt collar or the sleeve cuff. I bought this pink cotton fabric from Walmart. It will be added to the shirt to balance out the busy floral pattern and also make the pink color within the floral print stand out more. Next, let's tackle this shirt. This one needs some serious resizing and refitting. Here we go. Since this is a plain navy blue shirt, I want to add some decoration. I'm using Cricut Design Space to create a boho rainbow and some other shapes. Then my Cricut Maker is used to cut the cotton fabric I bought from Walmart. My next shirt is made of very durable corduroy fabric. It is a well-constructed and good old-fashioned shirt. So I did some resizing and refashion by removing the collar and the sleeve cuffs and repositioning the chest pockets. After decorating the shirt with black ribbons, I decided to embroider a peace sign at the back of the shirt. Here, I'm digitizing a peace sign to be ready for machine embroidery. This one was a company shirt from 2 jobs ago. I removed the top part of the collar and covered the company logo with a butterfly applique. But the shirt is still too plain and needs some spicing up. Okay, now it is time to review the shirts. Sorry, my kitty cats made an appearance here. I loved and loved working on upcycling these old shirts, knowing that the little I do to reduce waste contributes to the sustainable living on this planet is a good feeling. And being creative and crafty in doing so is the cream of the crop. Please share your comments and suggestions below. I would love to hear your upcycling stories. Thank you for watching.